Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a voiceover to your videos on TikTok. So select your videos and select the arrow button here, and as you can see there is an edit button, so select that. Then you are going to select sound right here down there, then select voiceover. Then you're going to just hit the red button and you're just going to start talking like, hey guys, that's a cat, blah blah blah, and this is me just walking. And then once you're done, you're just going to press done. You can add in a voice effect to the recorded voice as well. And then once you're done with that, you can just press save, press next, and upload your video. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!